Buongiorno amici.
Bienvenidos
a Capri.
Hey man, how the hell you doing? I've been just fine living life with the news and in my mind all I hear is music. Watching your mouth move, damn you look stupid.
Arrancamos tempranito. Vamos a tomar el barquito para ir a Capri.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top.
Vamos un poquito rápido por las dudas.
You better let me speak, turn it up a new degree. Bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take a new song.
Las 7:55, ¿no? Gracias.
All here for the taking.
Salió 29,60 y pudimos pagar con tarjeta.
Solo ida.
Solo ida, sí. Después sacamos la vuelta porque no sabemos bien el horario que vamos a volver. Sacamos el pasaje acá en la billetera.
En la boletería. Sacamos el pasaje acá en la boletería. Se puede reservar también online, pero online tiene un costo de unos 10 euros.
Entre 10 y 14 euros extra. Lo único inconveniente de esto es que cuando es temporada alta puede que llegues y no haya para el horario que vos quieras.
Estás con los días contados, tenés muy poco tiempo, tal vez es recomendable sacarlo online para asegurarse el lugar arriba del barco.
En la descripción les dejamos la web donde pueden ver todos los horarios y los precios y reservar.
Calling out on payback 'cause I'm great at that. Oh. You cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing. All here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough defeat. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were half-nots. You were not as tough though. Don't wanna test your luck with me.
Siamo arrivato.
Think I've had enough deceit.
Es todo tan top que los taxis son descapotables.
We're not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me. I think I've had enough deceit.
¿Dónde está el funicular? Ah, va bene, gracias. En el funicular hasta arriba, que es Capri, este es el puerto, así que vamos a recorrer la ciudad. Vamos a recorrer un poquito el centro histórico de Capri.
Hey man, how the hell you doing?
La calle por la que bajamos recién es la Victoria Emanuele. Están todas las marcas, todos los negocios más exclusivos, todas las marcas están acá.
I feel like everyone's a stranger. Small talk with your narcissistic neighbor. She's real hot, but they said to never date her. I agree, but you did and I hate her. You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go in.
Estamos en los jardines de Augusto. La entrada sale 1,50 y hay que sacarla escaneando un QR en la entrada y se paga con tarjeta.
No filter, I got no filter. 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 Hey man, can I get a favor? Yeah, sure, I know, see you later. Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser.
Estamos en el Arco Natural.
Feeling like a waiter. Scraping my mind against a cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger. You wanna get away, you better get in line.
Estamos haciendo un circuito que es para hacerlo todo caminando, subiendo y bajando. La verdad que es medio matador, pero vale la pena hacerlo porque tenés hermosas vistas de toda la isla.
No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter. No filter, I got no filter.
durísimo el camino, pero vale cada centavo. Due biglietti per Anna Capri? Andata e ritorno, per favore.
I'm taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof up. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, 'cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts.
150 euros el vestidito este.
¿Compraste dos?
Sí, le dije que me lo mande. Acá al lado del puerto, ni bien llegamos, tenemos esta playita pública que está espectacular. Es de piedra, pero el agua está increíble.
We're not as tough.
Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were have-nots, who are not as tough as me. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had enough disease. I'm sick of all the bad thoughts, people who were have-nots, who are not as tough as me.
Acá llegó el video desde Capri, no te olvides de suscribirte, dejanos un like y comentanos qué fue lo que más te gustó. ¡Chao, chao!